So, under part 4, we have made 7 different heads to discuss and analyze exactly how, under what different heads, the very protection of life and personal liberty as interpreted by our Supreme Court. So, the first one is relating to compensation, and the second one is relating to death sentence, the third one relating to delay in execution, and the fourth one is relating to handcuffing, and the fifth one relating to illegal detention, and the sixth one relating to public hanging, and the seventh one is relating to public trial. So, regarding compensation, as we found in a particular leading case, and that is Gloli Law Shame versus Union of India in 2015, and it is a case of Meghalaya where it was held that there is no express provision in the Constitution of India for grant of compensation by the state for the infringement of right to life and personal liberty guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. But award of compensation is an appropriate and effective remedy for redress of an established infringement of a fundamental right under Article 1 of the Constitution, as it was held in this leading case Gulit the Shem versus Union of India in 2015 by the Meghalaya High Court. And now we'll go to death sentence. And as regarding death sentence, we'll discuss a leading case, and that is Mithu versus State of Punjab. In 1983, the Supreme Court expressed that compulsory death sentence for murder committed by a life convict undergoing the sentence of imprisonment for life as per section 303 of IPC is unconstitutional. And now we'll go to another aspect of part 4 of protection of life and personal liberty is delay in execution, and in that connection we'll discuss a leading case, Sher Singh versus State of Punjab in 1983, where it was held that unjustifiable delay in execution of death sentence violates Article 21, as it was held in Sher Singh versus State of Punjab in 1983 by our Supreme Court. And now we'll go to another aspect falling under protection of life and personal liberty, and that is handcuffing, and very important leading case relating to this is Sunil Gupta versus State of Madhya Pradesh, and the very year is 1990, where the Supreme Court expressed that it has been given direction by the court to the Union of India to frame rules or guidelines as regards the circumstances in which handcuffing of the accused should be resorted to. So, also, handcuffing is permitted only in extraordinary circumstances, as it was decided in this leading case. Sunil Gupta versus State of Madhya Pradesh in 1990 by our Supreme Court. And now we'll go to the next heading, that is illegal detention, and in connection to that we'll discuss the leading case Mira Nirswalia versus State of Tamil Nadu 1991. The Madras High Court held that the state of Tamil Nadu was ordered to pay compensation rupees as 5,000 to a lady who was illegally detained, as it was decided in this leading case Mira Nireswalia versus State of Tamil Nadu in 1991 by the Madras High Court. And now we'll go to another important facet of life and personal liberty, and that is public hanging. And here in this particular we'll discuss one important leading case, and that is Attorney General of India versus Lakshma Devi in 1986. The Supreme Court held that public hanging, the execution of death sentence, is violation of Article 21, which mandates the observance of a just, fair, and reasonable procedure, as it was decided in this very important leading case relating to public hanging, which violates the very provisions of Article 21 relating to protection of life and personal liberty. So, the very important leading case is Attorney General of India versus Lakshma Devi in 1986, and the last heading, that is falling under Part 4, that we have framed in relation to protection of life and personal liberty, is public trial. So, in regard to public trial, we'll discuss one important leading case, and that is Vinith Narayan versus Union of India in 1986. The Supreme Court observed the requirement of public hearing in court as a component of fair trial that is subject to the need to hold proceedings in camera in order to safeguard the public interest and to avoid prejudice to the accused, as it was decided in this very important leading case relating to public trial Vinith Narayan versus Union of India in 1986. And in our upcoming video, we'll discuss part fifth, that we have framed out of the provisions relating to protection of life and personal liberty, as it is provided under Article 21, as we have made such different parts for only the purpose is to critically analyze those different aspects relating to right to life and personal liberty, as it was observed by our Supreme Court as the heart and soul of the fundamental rights, as we think it is also the heart and soul of the Constitution of India. So, in our upcoming video, we'll discuss part 5th of this particular fundamental right, and in our upcoming video, we'll discuss part 5th.